The last part of 6.1 has you solving problems with higher order exponents. Some of them are even and some of them are odds. Exponents, you'll be using the nth root that corresponds to that exponent. So for example, two x to the third equals 128. First thing we're going to do is isolate the variable. So I need to divide by 2. I get x cubed equals 64. And then we're going to take the corresponding nth root that goes with that exponent that is part of that equation. So I'm taking the third root of both sides. And then I get on the left-hand side, there are 3 x's I can pull out as one single x. And I will look for 3 things that are in 64 that are the same that I can circle and bring out, and I know that it's 4. Because it's odd when I'm solving, I don't need plus or minus. Okay, it's when it's even that you're going to be thinking about imaginaries and plus or minus. So the answer to this is 4. I can check it by plugging it back into my original equation. 2 times 4 cubed does equal 128, so that's a check. Another solving example. This time it's going to be an even exponent. I have x to the 6th plus 36 equals 100. Again, step 1, we're going to isolate the x to the 6th by moving the 36. I get 64 is equal to x to the 6th. I'm going to take the 6th root this time. Since my exponent was 6, 6th root of both sides. Now I'm looking for 6 of things in 64. Break it down. We saw this a little bit ago when I did that there are 6 2's in 64, and that's the breakdown of that. 2 to the 6th is 64. We're going to circle those 6 2's. They're going to get to come out as 1 2, but because my index is even, I need to remember to put plus minus in front of that. So I've got an x out on the left-hand side, and I've got a plus or minus 2 out on the right-hand side. Why do I have to use my plus or minus? Because look what happens when you go to check your answer. We need 2 to the 6th plus 36 equals 100. Well, also, negative 2 to the 6th plus 36 also equals 100. Both 2 to the 6th and negative 2 to the 6th are both 64, so that's why we're putting our plus minus on here. So anytime you have an odd, you're going to take the nth root, and it will either be positive or negative, depending on what's under the radical. When you have an even root, nth root that you're taking, you need to remember to put your plus minus as part of your answer. You could have plus minus an I if what was underneath your radical is negative.